Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel order on Amazon. So if you want to cancel order on Amazon after ordering something, you have changed your mind. I will show you how you can do this. So first of all, you have to open the Amazon application on your mobile and then you can see these three lines in the bottom. Just tap on these three bars. And now from here you can see these options. So you have to tap on this first option, your orders. Just click on it and then you can see this interface, and now you can see this I have ordered this. So now if I want to cancel, so just tap on this track package. So after clicking on tracking, you can see this our order has been shipped. You can see that my product has been saved. Now I want to cancel it. So what you have to do is you can see this option here, request cancellation. So just tap on this request cancellation and you can see this request cancellation. All items shown in the image will be cancelled and cannot be reverted back. So you just have to simply tap on this save and you will see the new interface, and now you can see that our request of cancelling this is pending. So we have sent the request to cancel this. Then tap on these three lines again, and again you have to tap on this track package, and now you can see this option returning to seller. It's mean our request has been pending. So you can see this now. We will issue you a refund within 2 to 3 business days after we receive the package. So if you have already paid, so they will refund your money after confirming the cancellation. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.